Hello everyone to another gameplay of Crash Bandicoot XS. Sorry it took so long, we had a little bit of technical difficulties. Also I needed to take a break. So, here we go. Level 6, Snow Crash. Damn it. You okay under there, Mr. Penguin? Oh, God! Damn it. God damn it. Go on, Mr. Penguin. Yeah, you're not gonna be spitting no more, no. No. Who's a bad penguin? You're a dead penguin. Oh, God. Now to the abyss I go. There we go, 2 lives. Sorry if you hear my mom in the background. I had to switch spots from my room to my brother's room for reasons I do not want to talk about. God damn it. Oh, you little penguin. No. You. Oh, God. Okay, guys, I'm back. Sorry about that, we had a little bit of technical difficulties. And he jumps, spins, falls down the hole again. Crash Bandicoot. He jumps, he spins, he rolls on his belly, goes to hell again. Jump up, crouch down. Stupid polar bears all around. Die, Mr. Penguin. Mr. Pingu. Here we go. Why do I have the feeling this ain't gonna be good? Run. Woo! Oh my God, not another one of these. Why? Why, Mr. Snowman? What did I do to you, Mr. Snowman? No. No. God damn it. No. Run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the Crash Bandicoot man. Oh, God damn it. You can run as fast as you can, Mr. Snowman. Okay, oh my God, no. Damn it! Oh, here we go again, guys. It's another day in the life of Crash Bandicoot. Goddamn. Oh, crap. Run! Boing. Oh, god damn it. I might do a review this Christmas. During the week of Christmas break, I'm gonna do a review for you guys. Bob the Builder, can he do it? No, he can't. And why is that, Bob the Builder? Because I've eaten everything. I fed you guys your parents. What, Bob? That's it. You got the clue. My arm just went right through that thing. That makes sense. Logic. Oh crap. Move out of the way, penguins! Run! It's Indiana Jones. He was left here for 50 years. He got hungry and started eating penguins. What? Run! Gotta go fast. Gotta go faster, faster. Faster. No! Ow. Come on. Gotta move slow. Take your time. Don't take your time. Don't be slow. All he's gonna give you is an icy pig named Hell. Move out of the way, penguin! Oh my god. Oh, this might be my last attempt, and then I'm gonna do it off screen. If I get another game over, I'm gonna just skip to where I actually get to the polar bear part. Damn it. Booga booga. Catch me not caring. Catch me. Catch me. Sorry guys, I slipped. Oh my god, you retarded little penguin. I hate you. I'll have you for breakfast. Guess who's having penguin for dinner? And when I'm done with this gameplay, I'm gonna have a voting poll where you guys get to decide what GBA game I should play next. Because I have a huge collection of them. And half of them I've never even been before. I played them, but I haven't played them for very long. Except for the Crash series. Ow. Ow. Penguins. Do. Get out of my way, you stupid pengu. Gotta run, gotta go fast. Gotta go faster. Watch out for the electric fence. Trying to save Aku now. Gonna get murdered right now. Gonna get tripped by these stupid penguins. 'Cause they have no sense of direction. Here we go. Run! Whee! Oh my god. There's more. What the? What the hell was that about? Did y'all see that? What the hell was that? Finally, a bonus level. Maybe I can get more lives. Oh god! Whee! Press the magical box. Wait, did I get all of them? Yes, I did. There we go. Maybe I could get a jump to this stage. Oh, Jesus. Suicidal seals. Oh. Gem. Yay. Oh, God. Oh, I'm stuck with that level. Whee! Break the box. Gotta get all the boxes. I suck at this game. Don't know anyway. Oh, wait, yes I do. 'Cause I take my poo. Well, this ain't doing anything. It's not even hurting it. There we go. No, 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 no. "37 boxes? Are you kidding me?" I'm not gonna be able to do this level, guys. I'm not gonna be able to get 100% in this game. I can't. Especially not when there's levels like this. This level is so boring. Freedom. And spin right round, baby, right round. And spin right round, baby, right. When you go down, go down, down. And spin right round, baby, right. Go down, 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 down. Spin right round, baby, right round. God damn it. Oh god, let me guess. Yep, I have to sit all the way through this. Okay, I gotta say, guys, next time I have to do these levels, I'm gonna cut it off, because this is just boring. And I doubt you guys are enjoying it. I know I'm not. I like the game, but these levels really suck. They really do. Nothing's going on. What is the point of these? It's not like giving me any more health. And I spin right round, baby, right round. Go down when you go down, down. Alright guys, that's it for today. I'm gonna do more maybe later or tomorrow. Anyway, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you later. Or try to comment if you can. Try, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye.